Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany. I could not be more excited to be filming today because I could not be more excited to get these braids out of my head. You guys, I've had these braids for about 3 weeks. I know you guys haven't seen much of the braids here on my channel because I haven't really been filming with them, but they here. So basically I went on a week-long trip, and whenever I go on trips, I usually try to braid my hair, especially if I have the kids with me, because it just makes it so much easier. I don't have to worry about my hair and the kids' hair and like getting everyone ready. It's just my hair is already done. So that's what I did, and I've been waiting to film this video and to have the opportunity to film it before I could take them out. But I've had enough. It's so funny because I actually really love the braids. Like, I didn't film a tutorial on doing these large knotless braids, but if you guys want to see a tutorial, I can always put them back in one day, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Today, look, my hair has so much buildup. Let me show you. Like, you can see, how close can I get? You can see how disgusting that my scalp and my hair looks. Like, I already know that my hair needs a lot of work. So that's what we're going to do today. But we're going to first start by taking out the braids. Wow, why am I low-key feeling sad to see them go now that I have not to do my hair. I have been itching for it. Literally itching. But now I'm just like, they look bad, but they cute though. The braids are cute. If I look over here, that's where I can see myself. I feel like all right, so this is how long I'm wearing pajamas. It's so hot in here where I'm filming. This is my closet, by the way. Did I ever tell you guys this is my closet? This is my closet. But yeah, so it's they're really long. So I will be chopping most of this off, so let's go ahead and do that. So basically I can see where my natural hair is. This is where my bangs is. So my bangs are. So I kind of know, like, I can just kind of cut those short. But I just kind of try to look for like where my hair's sticking out. Like this one, I don't have a whole lot of hair sticking out. Always play it on the safe side, okay? You don't want to just be cutting your hair off. That actually happened to me once. I had micro braids when I was younger, and the lady who was taking my braids out, she assumed that because I had the micro braids, I guess she just assumed that I didn't have any hair, and she cut my hair off, and that was not a happy day. So always err on the side of just, you know, length, you know. So I'm just taking out my braids. Obviously, as you see, I use the rat tail to just take out the bottom, and then I just take them out my hair. You guys, my hair was so nasty. Look at this. It had so much buildup right at the base of the braid. Like, it was just nasty. So I'm just continuing to take them out. It's really nothing special to it. My scalp was so itchy. My hair had so much buildup. I just remember feeling so relieved when I was taking these out, because my scalp had gotten so itchy. I really can't wear braids like that long, or my scalp just gets itchy. So here you can see some of the buildup that's just caked on to my hair and sticking it all together, and you can see how flaky my hair looks. It was just nasty. So at this point, I finally got them all out. Yes, thank you, Jesus. And I can, like, oh my God, that's so disgusting. Stop showing it. Oh my God, it's so gross. It's okay, we're gonna do something about it. All right, you guys, and there we have it. I feel like it probably took me about 20 minutes to get all the braids out. It wasn't that many braids because they were kind of big, but oh boy, does it feel good. I still feel hot. I was hoping to have more relief, but it's really hot in here, and I don't know why. I need to check on that because I'm burning up, but oh, like how good it feels to have these braids out. This makes me want to do a braid out. Like, I love how my hair looks when I take braids out, and especially pulled up like in a bun. You see? It's just cute. It's just cute. I love the little texture it has. Like I said, while my hair looks cute, it doesn't feel cute. My scalp is so itchy and my hair feels so coated. Like my hands feel coated. Obviously because my hair had product in it and I continued to put product in it while it was in the braids. And so my hair is just, it needs a help. It needs a detox. So we are going to do a detox. If you guys remember a couple videos ago, I actually did the maximum hydration method. And in that method, I used the like Indian healing clay, the bentonite clay. Bentonite, yeah. I used that in my hair to detox. And of course, the method was like do every day for like 7 days. And I was like, no, I'm not doing this. But today we are going to be doing it again. Not the whole method, just the mask. But I'm actually going to be using a mask by Kiss Colors and Care. You guys know Kiss probably for their nails and their lashes, but what a lot of people don't know is that they actually have hair care products as well. So Kiss Colors and Care, they have hair products. So today I'm going to be actually using 2 products from them. And I would like to thank them for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to use the mask on this hair and detoxify it, get rid of this buildup because, honey, I cannot. So the ancient Mayan Indian healing clay is available in 2 sizes, 18 ounces and 16 ounces. So the directions say to use a non-metal bowl and utensil to mix the clay with equal parts raw apple cider vinegar. Then add unfiltered water to mix to desired consistency. Indian healing clay is known for its detoxing properties and its ability to give the hair lots of definition. So that's what we're going to go for today. So I would like to give a special thank you to Kiss Colors and Care for sponsoring this video. I'm very excited about it and this is a really big deal for me. So in the shower, the first thing that I did with my hair is just wet it down. I just needed my hair to be wet. I needed to feel the water on my scalp. I just needed to give my hair life again, and I saw the curls popping through and I got so excited. So basically the first step is just to wet your hair. If you're going to do this type of detox, you want to do it on wet hair, because if you put the mask on dry hair, it's going to make it really hard to get out your hair. And you want to make sure you get it all out. So I'm just applying it to small sections, and then after I get the whole section done, I just add some more to try to cover all the spots that now. This particular one by Kiss is finely milled calcium bentonite, and that helps with less clumping, and it helps it to absorb better into your skin if you use it for your face. It's made in the US and it's 100% natural, and it's not chemically processed, which makes it safer for your hair and your skin. It's not tested on animals. There's no animal products in it, and it has no fragrance, so nothing is going to irritate your skin. Afterwards, you're supposed to cover your hair with a cap and apply heat for extra penetration. And then after 25 minutes, you rinse thoroughly, shampoo, and condition. So now here we are for a quick skincare break. What you just saw was a skin typing test. You take it, you rub it on your skin, and you match it up to see. So here I have dry skin. And then from there, I actually just went ahead and did the mask. It has suggestions for what things you can add to the mask to enhance it. And so one for soothing the skin was actually to add 100% tea tree oil. And I had that on hand, so I added a couple of drops to the mask. And when I tell you, this was a completely different experience than the last time I put a mask on my face. I'll tell you guys about the other clay mask, but all in all, this is how it looks when it dried. It was kind of cracking on my skin, and that's how I knew it was time to rinse it off. So I went ahead and just rinsed it thoroughly with warm water and just kind of rubbed it with my hands, and it kind of broke it down. And then I went ahead and dried my face. So this is how my skin looked after. I was really happy with how smooth and revitalized and how fresh my face and my skin looked. It was noticeably different than before, so I was very pleased. So now we're back in the shower, and I'm taking the grocery bag off my head, and I am beginning to rinse the mask out of my hair. Now this is one thing I did learn from last time, that I need to go section by section to rinse the mask out to make sure it's thoroughly rinsed from the root all the way to the end. You guys, look at the definition that my hair already has just from beginning to rinse the mask out. Like, I don't know what it is specifically about the clay. I don't know if it's just stripping and detoxing the hair and letting it have its natural form, but this is how my hair looked after rinsing it out. Very shiny, very defined, and just beautiful. So next I'm shampooing my hair, and as you guys can see, I didn't shampoo my hair before the mask. The mask really detoxed my hair because look how much lather I can get. Y'all saw how dirty my scalp was. There is no way that would have lathered. So after shampooing, I used the Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia mask, and this was a deep conditioning mask for dry and damaged hair. So I went ahead and put that in my hair, and then I brushed it through with my Tangle Teaser, and I was seeing the definition come through. The curls were popping, and this is how it looked when I rinsed it out. So one thing that I like to do is to apply my leave-in conditioner in the shower. This has really been helping my hair and my process. I just wanted to show you guys how seamlessly and effortlessly it was gliding through my hair. And when I was brushing my hair, like my hair was just so manageable. And this is what I find like after using an Indian clay mask, my hair just feels so much more manageable and so much more defined. So now I am out the shower and I've moved on to styling my hair. I just added some products to my hair, a couple different products, and then I went ahead and used this hairbrush by Be Hairful. This is, I think it's like their detangling brush or defining brush. But look at the curls that it creates. Are you kidding? My hair was looking amazing, so defined. Look at that. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so good. You know, you can tell it's going to be a good wash and go. You can just tell. So there's a little transition into all of my hair being ready to dry. And bam, we are back. Not only bam because we're back, bam because there's a thunderstorm outside. So welcome to the party, thunderstorm. By all means, take over my video. But anyways, you guys, I want to start off. Let's talk about the skin because the skin is popping. You guys, look at my hair. I can barely stop looking at it because first of all, like I miss my curls so much. Like my hair looks and feels so amazing. It feels so good to have my curls back. I feel like I have a little bit more length as well. Like I don't know, but I feel like the hair is growing. I'm so excited. Okay, so this experience doing the clay mask, definitely, my second time around doing a clay mask in general, this was very clarifying for me, not just for my hair, but also for me, because the first time I was really confused by how my hair felt, but this time my hair did feel similar. However, it didn't feel as like rubbery in texture as before, and my hair felt very clean, very clean, and very like smooth and very shiny, as you guys saw. So I absolutely love the results. For me, I would say that I enjoyed this experience for my hair and my face with the Kiss Indian clay mask over the other one. Like I kind of going into it thought that it was just going to be the same thing, and I mean, maybe it is. I really don't know, but I know that for me, my experience this time around was better. I don't know if it was because I was more aware of what was happening and what I was doing, or with the skin mask, the fact that I added the tea tree. I don't know if that made a difference, but I had a really bad reaction on my face the last time to the skin mask, like the first one I used. I actually am just remembering that. I don't know how I forgot this, but when my skin cracked, how the mask cracked, I had like redness in between like every single crack, and the cracks were still on my face. It was crazy, but I didn't have that happen at all with this one this time. I don't know if it was a tea tree or just the Kiss formula, or like what type of Indian healing clay it is, but it works. And you guys can see my hair, all that buildup is gone off my hair. It was like my hair felt, like I said, so clean, so purified, and so defined. And you guys, believe it or not, this, my friends, is day 3 hair. It's the end of day 3. What? Like, I think that my curls just look so beautiful, so stunning. I still have like very good volume and good definition. good shine. I mean, I'm really happy with how my hair is, so I would definitely recommend the Kiss Colors and Care Indian Clay Mask. If you've been planning on trying one, definitely pick this one up. For me, this is going to be the one I recommend over the other one. That's just my personal experience, and part of me just, I don't know. I'm kind of scared to try the other one again. The braids were nice, but it feels so good to feel my scalp. Jesus. I'm gonna ramble on and on, honestly, guys. It just feels good to be in front of the camera. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I want to give a special thanks again to Kiss Colors and Care for sponsoring this video. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.